Have you ever heard of neomorphism? It is a new design trend which has emerged in 2020. Neomorphism combines developments of skeuomorphism and the flat design you're already familiar with. It is made of a shadow with no border which makes it look soft. Even though there are plenty of neomorphism works in the designers community, you should make your own CSS files to design your website. This is very time-consuming, so it would be so convenient if you can make use of a neomorphism design framework. Therefore, NEOMO will be the best solution to your problem. NEOMO is a responsive design framework based on neomorphism design. You can adapt it to your website in one of these three ways: download CSS and JS files, download through CDN, or download package files. First, I'm gonna show you how to utilize it through the first way. Click the download button in the download page. A folder which has a bunch of CSS files, a JS file, and some of other empty files will then be downloaded. Now you can check it out in your project folder. When it comes to incorporating it in your HTML file, you should link neomo.css and neomo.js to your HTML file. Be careful about your source address. Secondly, downloading through CDN. You don't have to download anything but link NEOMO to your HTML file by writing these two lines. Thirdly, you can take advantage of npm or yarn package to download NEOMO. I'm gonna use yarn. When you finish downloading, you can check it out in package.json and find source files in the node models folder. Incorporate them in your HTML file in the same way as before. Under the Download tab, you can find modifier's syntax. It represents design styles of NEOMO. We offer 4 different colors which are white, NEOMO, gray, and dark. The shadow style depends on what color you choose among these. As the default color is white, you don't have to configure your project to set the elements to white. Regarding other colors, you should add the color name in the class of each element. Beforehand, however, you must decide which type you're gonna use between outset and inset. If you wanna use outset type, write outset hyphen in front of the color name in the element class. Make sure to add the same color name in your wrapper class for your background. Here are some typical colors you can utilize, especially for text: info, success, danger, warning. Now everything is done, it's time for you to start your design. Let's assume that you want to use the input form from NEOMO. You can either search for the term in the search box on the top right or look for the term in the list on the left-hand side. Check out how to write the code for it and then add it to your project and see how beautifully it is adapted. You can select the shape, color, and other options like input group in this case. Besides the input form, there are other elements you can choose for your website. For more information, go check out the official documentation and README files in NEOMO directory. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful experience with NEOMO.